Hello and welcome to Genius Education IAS. So guys, in today's video we are going to see important topics with related to the Indian geography. If you have Indian geography or geography subject as optional, then this video is going to very important for you. If you have not, then don't worry, these topics are most important for mains examination as well as the prelims examinations. Okay, so if you see these important topics, you can find the questions in prelims examination as well as mains examination GS paper 1. So please, with whole concentration, with whole dedication, please keep connected with us till end of the video. Okay, so let's start and let's see which topics are most important for you. Okay, so let's start the video. Next slide is moving. Okay, so Indian geography important topics for UPSC examination. Okay, so first topic is geological structure of India. First topic is geological structure of India. Okay guys, let's see geological structure of India. Actually, in geographical and geological structure of India, we'll see time span, plate tectonic theory, and rocks. Okay, how to formation of Himalaya, and how this particular glacier, like Siachen glacier, is exists here. Okay, so in the geological structure of India, we'll see all these things. So please keep remember mug up these all topics, because uh, probability of the questions will make come into your examination is high. Okay, you can see 50-50. Okay, so next topic is resources with related to the industries. Okay, this particular industry is exists here. Why? Okay, so industry depend upon more geographical features like water availability, okay, raw material, and all these extra points which you have to know, like climate of that particular point, particular place. Okay, and you can see coastal line, what is the distance between this particular place and coastal line of the ocean. Okay, this is most important thing which you have to know all about resources related to the industries. Okay, so industries, this part is very important for you. Okay, next is physiography. If you see physiography of India, then in physiography you will see, okay guys, in physiography you will see Himalayas, peninsula, plains, coastal plains, and islands. Okay, so in physiography of India we'll see Himalayas, formation of Himalayas, and all physical features of Himalayas, and how to benefit for India Himalaya as a Himalaya. Okay, okay, we can see Himalaya is a protector of India from the Central Asian winds. Okay, so peninsular India, which you have to know, peninsular India, it start from the Madhya Pradesh and go till end of the India mainland. This is Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so plains, if you see plains, Gangetic plains, Ganga and Brahmaputra, okay, Ganga Yamuna plains, okay, so you will see Gangetic plains, and coastal plains like Andhra Pradesh, okay, Gujarat. These plains are called as coastal plains. Islands, Andaman Nicobar, Lakshadweep, okay. So we'll see all these topics, so please mug up these topics. This is very important for you. Next is drainage. So drainage is actually, what is drainage? Drainage is a river system. Okay, when you see river system, Sindhu and river system, and Ganga river system, Brahmaputra river system, then you see, okay, what are the uses of the river system, irrigation, and all these things, alluvial deposits. Okay guys, so next topic is climate. When we see climate, in climate there is a discussion of El Nino and La Nina. Okay, all these things, how to El Nino is benefit and useful for India. Okay, Indian monsoon. So we'll see. Next topic is soils. Soils is very important factor for geography point of view as well as the economy point of view. Okay, environment, ecology, all these things. Soils. Okay. So soils, what type of soils is present in India, and which particular soil is found in which particular area. Okay, so we'll see. Next is agriculture related to the industries. So all these things, all these topics are most important for your examination point of view, mainly mains examination as well as the prelims examination. If you have geography as optional, then this is most important. Okay, so please keep remember. Next topic is natural vegetation. Okay, if you see natural vegetation, what is the impact of environment of natural vegetation, and what is the benefits of India from the national vegetation. Okay, so all these things natural, sorry. Okay, so next topic is population. Okay, so increasing population of India, what is the impact, negative impact of India, and what is the positive impact of India of population. Okay, so all these things please mug up, very important topics. Next is settlements. Okay, why mostly people prefer to live in the plains, Gangetic plains, Yamuna plain. Why is not in you can see hilly area. Okay, so all these things, what is the reason of it? Settlements, why is particular community settled particular place. Okay, so please remember it. Next topic is transportation. Like in transportation is the main uh, feature of Indian economy as well as the Indian geographical feature. Okay, so you will see transportation. In transportation there is a national highways, ports, railways, okay, and airways. Okay, all these things are most important for you. Okay, last but not least topic is urbanization. Okay, so you can see, you know all about, you have heard urbanization. This is most important topic. And actually urbanization, what is the positive impact of urbanization, and also there are also negative impacts also. Okay, so you will have to know all about these things, urbanization and all these topics. Okay guys, so I hope you are like this video. Okay, subscribe this channel, press bell icon for latest updates. Okay, so guys, so let's meet in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.